What's up, guys? So yesterday the solar eclipse happened, and if you were fortunate enough to be near it, or maybe you were in the line of totality, I think it's a crazy thing to get to experience, and it's an eerie and ominous feeling. So I wanted to create a beat that, represents what it felt like to me. And I also just wanted to mention that, I don't think it's just something that's happening to us. I think it's something that we can all participate in, whether that be, through creating art or setting an intention or meditating, or, even just going out with the community and watching it occur with your protective glasses, of course. So yeah, this is my beat, and I hope you guys enjoy it.